Welcome to this new Hatha Yoga class. This is a practice you can do in the morning or in the evening every day. Let's begin standing with your feet about shoulder width apart. Take a deep inhale with your arms all the way up and bring your hands together and exhale. Lower your arms. Repeat. Inhale, lift your arms up and exhale. Inhale one more time. Exhale and lower your arms. Come to the top of your mat. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold forward, lowering your whole body. Stay in forward fold. Cross your arms and gently sway from side to side. Relax your neck. Relax your arms, shoulders, and legs. Move slowly and softly. Place your hands on the mat and step into a plank pose. Gaze down at the mat. Keep your spine long. Breathe freely. Inhale and exhale. Send your hips back into downward facing dog. Relax your shoulders and your neck. And inhale and exhale. Lift your left leg up, long and straight. And stay here. Inhale and exhale. Bring your knee to your chest and slowly rotate your body into a side plank. Lower your left knee to the mat. Open your chest and lift your top arm towards the sky. Inhale and exhale. Now, extend the lower leg forward. Keep your foot flexed for more stability and stay here. Bring your left leg back. Return to plank. Feet hip width apart. Spine straight. Gaze down. Send your hips back into downward facing dog. Let your shoulders soften. Relax your neck and head. Lift your right leg up towards the sky, long and aligned with your spine. Stay here and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Bend your right knee and bring it to your chest. Place it down and move into a side plank. Knee supported on the mat. Your left leg stays long. Lift your top arm, open your chest, and look up. Press slowly into your supporting arm. Now extend your right leg forward. Flex your foot for more stability. Return to plank and pause here. Inhale and exhale. Lower your knees to the mat. Move into cat and cow to relax. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come up onto your knees. Lift your torso and move into camel pose. Place your right hand on your right ankle. You can look up or keep your gaze forward. Lift your left arm up or keep it down if that feels better. Inhale and exhale. Now switch sides. Place your left hand on your left ankle and lift your right arm up. If looking up feels too intense, keep your gaze forward and your arm down. Slowly come back up to center. Extend your legs out in front of you and sit tall. Take a deep inhale, exhale, and gently fold forward. Do not force. Let your body soften. When you inhale, lift your chest slightly. When you exhale, fold a little deeper. Twist gently with your left hand. Hold your right foot and lift your right arm up and over your head. Pause here, inhale and exhale. Switch sides, right hand, hold the left foot. Left arm reaches up and over. Pause here and breathe. Come back to the center, bend your knees and move into a boat pose. You may keep your legs bent or extend them if you like to. Keep your spine long and balanced. Pause here. Keep breathing. Lower your feet. Bring the sole of your feet together for butterfly pose. Fold forward and rest. Lift your torso and return to boat pose. Legs bent or straight. Pause here and breathe. Lower your legs, butterfly pose again, fold forward and rest. Lift up once more, boat pose, hold in balance, keep breathing. Lower your legs, butterfly pose. Fold forward and rest. Inhale and exhale. Come back up. Bend your left leg forward and extend your right leg back for pigeon pose. Stay upright for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and lower your forehead to the mat. Let your torso soften and relax. Press your hands down and return to tabletop. Keeping the left leg bent, open your hip and lower your body down. You can rest your forehead on your hands. Feel the hip relaxing. Press your hands down and return to tabletop. Now switch sides. Bend your right leg forward and extend your left leg back. Stay upright for a few breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and lower your body towards your right leg. Rest your forehead on the mat and relax. Press back up to tabletop, keeping the right leg bent. Open the hip outward and lower your body. Relax here. Inhale and exhale. Sit down on the mat. Lie back and lift both legs up together. Flex your feet and keep your legs long. You can point and flex your feet to activate circulation. Open your arms out to the side. Lower your left leg, bend your right knee, and let it fall across your body towards your left hand. Gentle spinal twist. Twist to the other side. Come back to the center. Extend your right leg. Bend the left knee and let it fall towards your right hand. Return to center. Place your arms alongside your body, palm facing up. Relax completely. Relax your feet, relax your legs, your back, your arms, your neck, your head, and close your eyes. Keep breathing. Slowly come back up to sit. Thank you so much for taking this Hatha Yoga class with me. I hope you enjoy it. See you next week.